Guys, so today we're going to be checking out some products from Shargeek. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video, sending these products out for us to check out. They look pretty cool. So we have a power bank, and then we also have another power bank, but it's a wireless power bank, and it attaches to your phone, which I will show you guys. But let's go ahead and just dive in here and unbox everything. So let's go ahead and start off with the actual power bank here. So this is the 170 power bank, 24,000 milliamps on here. We have a transparent design. We have type C, 170 watt max, and then we also do have some little bit of information on the back here. I do like the presentation here, and let's just go ahead and unbox this. And we do have some more information on the side here. It is water resistant, airline safe, which is really nice. So if you're traveling, so that makes a lot of sense. 140 watt max output, and it also has a smart display. So very excited to check this out. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right, let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. And we are presented first with the power bank itself, and see what else we have in here. Okay, they do provide us with a soft carrying case or pouch, which is nice. And then we have a really nice high quality cable here as well. It looks like a braided cable. Very nice. Type C to type C. Alright, so let's check out the power bank itself here. Let's get it out of this. And wow. So I really like the transparent design, and this actually does go with my desk and my setup. So it's pretty nice. I do like the way it looks. Very cool looking. As you can see, the internals here. So up top here, we do have our ports here. So we do have USB A, and then we also have a C port or 2 C ports, and this is just our power button. And yeah, so see anything at the bottom? No. And yeah, so overall it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, so it's not that bad to carry around. Yeah, it does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's nowhere near as bad as I thought. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the wireless one, and then we'll go ahead and test them out and charge some devices here. Okay, now this also has a little transparent. Wow, very cool. Love it. Can you guys see that? Very nice. I love stuff like this, guys. Alright, so this one, we have our type C. Alright, so we got the 16 Pro Max right here. It is on like 4%. It's pretty drained here. So we're gonna see, you know, how much charge time we can get here, and you guys can see the actual display here. So the cool thing about the display is that we can see the recharge time, and then we can also see the actual battery life of this, and then we also have the output and input, so we can see, you know, how fast we are charging. And let's just go ahead and we'll run a timer for 15 minutes and then see, you know, what we get in this 15-minute time span here. And you can see it's charging the iPhone around 30 watts here. And then also we're getting some time too, so recharge time. Alright guys, we are approaching 8 seconds here, and it looks like we've got a pretty good amount of battery life back here just in 15 minutes. We have 31% battery life. Very, very good. So I'm pretty impressed. We are supposed to be able to charge 3 devices at once here, so let's go ahead and see if it can handle this. So we got our watch here that is charging. The screen is pretty low brightness, but it is charging, so very nice. And then let's go ahead and charge our other phone, our A56 here, and let's see if that charges. Okay, so we do have the A56 fast charging, and then we can put our iPhone back on, and let's see if. Alright, so it looks like all 3 are indeed charging, so that's very nice. So if you have multiple devices that you need to charge, this will definitely get the job done. And you can see our screen here is giving us a bunch of information, so it's outputting around 60 watts here. So let's talk about the portable charger here. So let's go ahead and test this one out here, and this will work on something like a Galaxy S25. So you can see this has Qi 2. So if you are worried about it not working on Android, it does work. Even if you just buy a MagSafe case, usually these just work perfectly fine, but you don't have to have the Qi 2. But we got the iPhone here. It is also charging. And the cool thing about this one is that it does light up and have some different colors here. And again, I really love the transparent design. And then we also get some battery information here. So we do get 30 watts max. And the cool thing about this is if you are on a flight or something and you are using your phone, to, watch movies or, whatever, you can just prop this up and use it as a little kickstand. So I really like it. The kickstand seems to be pretty strong, so no issues at all. Very, very nice. And we can also just use it landscape. And I think if we want to angle it a little bit, we can just push it back a little bit so we can have it on the side. So it's very cool. I do really like the stand here. And then you can see we can also use this to go into our mode here. So when we're going to sleep, we can use it as our little nightstand. Alright guys, so that is pretty much going to wrap this video up. I genuinely love the products. Be sure to hit up the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. The design is beautiful. I absolutely love the transparent look, and I think they did a fantastic job with the design. And yeah guys, so if you need a power bank or a wireless power bank, these are some really great options.